So, history of the microscopy. We have just introduced the microscope. What is a microscope? How we see the objects, and which are not seen, cannot be seen with the naked eyes, but we can see it with the microscope. We have studied it in the last time, and then we studied history of the microscopy. We will study in this module that what is the history of microscopy, how is originated from the historical point of view. First of all, the first microscope was the very simple microscope, and it was invented by the Leeuwenhoek, and it was in 19th century. It is a very simple microscope. Just you can see from the here that how the microscope was originated. It is simple, that it has the lens and the simple rotation. You can just rotate according to your objects, and then the lens and sample pen. Here you can put the sample in this. In this, also called in the nowadays the microscope, it is will be called the stage. In that stage you can put the object, and then the focusing screw is also there. You can just focus it according to your desired magnification, and you can see the objects. It was a very simple type of the microscope, and first invented in the 17th century to see the different objects. Then the Robert Hooke in 1665 observed the cork cells. He observed the cork cells, different objects present inside the cork cell through his own microscope, and the microscope is here. It is the eyepiece. You will see that you can put your eyes here and you will see the microscope. It is also called the body, which is nowadays microscope will call body, called barrel, and focusing screw. Similarly, the objective. Hooke microscope, it is the about 1670 the Hooke invented this microscope. Oil lamp, you have to use the oil to make it clear, and then the water flask and specimen holder. In this microscope you can just clear the specimen with the oil or with the water flask which was already present inside it, and you can put the specimen holder, and then you can see it was the Robert Hooke who invented this in 1665. Then the compound microscope. Zacharias Janssen made the first compound microscope, and it is very simple, and you can see just from the eyepiece, and you can see the object for the compound microscope. Then a little bit better microscope was invented in 1830 by the Joseph Lister, which also contained just like the similar, we have already seen it by Robert Hooke microscope, but it was much better than until now we have seen different microscopes. So from the historical point of view, different kind of microscope has been invented, and now we can see that the microscope is very important instrument for every laboratory which is considered from the science point of view, and every laboratory has the microscope inside it. It is the historical point of view we have made this presentation, this PPT. The first of all, the Leeuwenhoek microscope in 60s, then the British microscope, and then similarly it is going on. The microscope over the ages, it changes its shapes, and it given us the more better view to see the objects, to see the microorganism. It is the early 70s microscope, and then the 1927 the microscope invented like this way, and now we can see this microscope which is present in the laboratories, which is fluorescence microscope or the biometric microscope. We will see the microscopes in the next slides, different kinds of microscopes which are being invented by time.